Basic exercise, tricep push down. But there's always something you can learn even with basic exercise. So with this, pointers is you're keeping your upper arm glued to your sides. So that's kind of, upper arm's glued to your lats, right? So it's just from here. I like to come to like lower mid-chest level, because if you go beyond that, it's not really any more on the muscle. It just tends to put more stress on the tendon junction. So come up to there, I'm going to push down and in. Okay, so a lot of people you see doing push downs basically like this. I need to do this. In. So it's down and back and squeeze here. You feel a real contraction as you're on the legs there. And the stance, you see, I like to have one foot forward and one foot back. I feel that that gives me more stability, but it's not like you must do that way. If you want to go feet parallel, you can do that. I prefer this position. Upper arms glued there, that's the full extension, the lower chest.